Hello friends, welcome on my channel. Thanks for watching my videos. Today I have a iPhone 8. The back glass is broken. I removed the glues with the laser machine and after then now he's looking different. And now remove the glass, broken glass. It's easy after then. Now I will show you how you can change and remove this back glass, and after then put the new ones. Now I will use this blade and start from one edges. Must be where the glass is on eyes. It's very easy after the laser machine. Yes, after all done, when you check all the area is clean, edges, then just remove this old glue. This comes black after razor. Yes, remove same like this from all area. Yes, now I cleaned everything is from here, old clothes, just little bit is here, is no problem. After then put the back glass, new back glass on the back, and check all the edges and make sure everything is fine from all edges. Then just put the glue all after put the glue and just carefully put the glass on the back and press just from the sides, then press from the sides, and after then you can cover with the rubber bands, and you can also use this holders and you can hold the glass, yeah, from all the edges. Just tight little bit, not too much. Yes, and stay there for dry the glue for 20 to 30 minutes. After then your glass will be okay. Hopefully guys this video will be helpful for you. See you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.